Hi, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net, maker of this DVD right here, How to Trade Like a Boss. Gives you all the necessary information to get started in algo trading with MotiveWave, as well as Python trading bots. $10. That's all it is. Get it over at quantlabs.net/DVD. All right, so we also have some books, quantlabs.net/book. That's all for a whopping $1. Okay, let's get into the world of MotiveWave. All right, so some of you may know I use MotiveWave as my trading platform. It's a fantastic trading platform. Last time I showed you this has been the performance of the market. So they've not been doing too good. CFD, these are the latest ones that we did last week. Corn has pretty well done the classic parabolic. It's going to go. USD, Canadian, as you can see here, it's just not performing. It's classic mean reverting. I do have a solution for that. I will have that strategy and study up. Who knows when? I've got 3 other things in front of it before I can get to that. The British pound, British pound, New Zealand. We got lucky. We got ourselves that. That one's gone flat. That's an intraday. Let's see the daily. That one's done all right. Can't complain, right? So the British pound has been doing okay, even with the British pound against the US dollar or Australian dollar, the euro against the Australian dollar. So we are getting some performance. So maybe forex is back, but we got lucky with this. Let's check out the wheat. That's a 15-minute chart, but the daily slightly trending up. Not a lot, but it's doing okay. But our winner up until now has been sugar, but it's totally come down. Actually, I stand correct. It's been doing all right, but it's still trending up, but it's been coming back. Now, this is where I think a lot of the safe havens are really not gold, not crypto, none of that. It's this, sugar and wheat, okay? I can't say anything more than that, but looks like we're doing okay with the Australian dollars back, the Canadian, and the British pound. So let's go into the good old world of forex and let's see what's going on. All right, so let's check out CFDs right now. This is in real time. So performance right now is a natural gas, US Treasury. Well, it's because of the coronavirus. It's hit XAUs. That's a gold silver ratio. If you don't know about this is a nice defensive play. Okay, that's a good one. That one can do well when the markets come off if you want to trade in the world of Oanda. Then we have, again, the UK bond and some other ones doing. And so you can see where the defensive plays are right now. Yeah. Excuse me. I'm about to sneeze there. Sorry about that. So the Canadian, not too good. Euro pairs. You can see here the Scandinavian are doing pretty good. The euro against the Australian, we got lucky there on that one, 0.87% USD. Again, here you got the Scandinavian US dollar. That's doing okay, but do you really want to play those high cost spreads? I don't. So the Mexican dollar with the US dollar, Mexican can do pretty good. Again, spread cost is a big factor. So there's some nice movements in the Scandinavian as well as Mexican peso. British pound, here's another winner again. We got lucky. Pound against the New Zealand has been doing well, and the pound against the Australian dollar has been doing good. So this one, the France CAC generally can do okay, but I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, so here's the Australian pairs. Not doing too good, but the cross pairs are doing all right. So again, I'm going to get rid of that. Here again, you can see the SPX is off. So what we've had up and running all this time, again, are doing well. Okay, these were placed last week. You can see them. Sugar against US dollar, wheat against US dollar, and some forex is coming back. Pound, British pound against the Australian dollar, pound against the Canadian dollar, as well as the pound against the New Zealand, and US dollar against the Canadian. That's really dependent upon oil. So those are the winners. Okay. So those are the winners I'd focus on. If there's any questions or comments, let me know. But I'm going to do one last thing, because sometimes we get some surprises with our 4-hour scans on the currencies. So these are long opportunities that I'm looking for. I've set these up. And as it stands right now, I'm just going to see where everything stands. So I'm happy about that. Pretty happy. It's good to know. All right. So let's see what we got for excellent. Okay. So let me see how we can do this. It would help if I can. Doesn't matter. Okay. So we have the Australian US dollar. Let's see how that's looking. Again, this is a shorting opportunity. It's a classic harmonic-based shorting opportunity. We have 2 of them. So that's a pretty convincing, compelling argument on that. And our next one's the Australian Japan yen. That's another short there. So we have the Australian Canadian dollar. Once again, the Australian dollar always comes back as a short. Canadian Japanese yen, that's a short. Euro against the USD, that's a short. Euro against the Japanese yen, short. Euro against the Japanese yen. These are all shorting opportunities. So no other excellent. Here's some more. US Canadian. Ooh, okay, surprise there. So maybe I should open up my USD Canadian again. That's the only long opportunity I'm seeing. USD against the CHF. That's possible. And that's it. So the pairs that I'm seeing right now that maybe I should put open up charts is USD against Canadian and USD against the franc. That makes sense as safety havens. As for the USD Canadian, I don't know what's being seen there in that scan, but I'll gladly take a look at it. All right, so let me go over to the chart section here. I'll reopen the USD Canadian. That's probably an oil move right there. I'll probably put that on. I'm going to put that on an hourly time frame. Boom. Okay, well, I'll leave that on for now. And then what I'll do is I'll apply our usual template and then make that available to all of you in the analytics membership. There you go. One last we'll do is the USD CHF. So these are what we're adding as safety plays, safety haven trades. So I'll do the hourly again, classic mean reversion. So I'll put that into the template and then apply the world's greatest chart to our members in the analytics. So there you go. That's what we're looking at. I'll repeat these again for on a podcast I'll put up later today. Sugar against US dollar, wheat against US dollar, euro against the Australian dollar, pound, British pound against the Australian dollar, British pound against the Canadian, British pound against the New Zealand, USD against Canadian, which is questionable because it's only been scanned, and the USD against the Swiss franc. So we'll leave it at that. Can't complain. Got any questions, let me know. I'm going to load up the crypto in another stream, see how that's going. Anybody got questions, let me know. Also, as a reminder in the meantime, please do not forget to get this. This is pretty good. I'm pretty proud of this. I'll be going in deep from this DVD into further live MotoWave courses. That's the DVD you can get over at the DVD, quantlabs.net/DVD. As well as I said, there's the books as well. Okay. So no comments. Okay, no problem. We shall talk to you later. Hopefully this will be really good. So far, so good for the last pretty close to a week. Talk to you later.